Hello and welcome to the course. My name is Dara and I'm coming at you here from Dublin, Ireland. And I'm really excited to have you here because in this course, you are going to learn how to become Google Digital Sales Certified in just one day. Now, in this introductory lecture, I want to answer three key questions for you. And the first one is, what is the Google Digital Sales Certification? Secondly, what is the value of this certification? What is it going to help you to do and achieve? And then three, what is the value of this course? How is this course really going to help you get that certification quickly? So firstly, what is the Google Digital Sales Certification? A lot of people are familiar with the Google Analytics certification, and a lot of people are familiar with the Google AdWords certification, but you might not be familiar with this certification and that term, digital sales. Well, this is visually what the certification looks like. It's the same as all of the other certifications that you can get from Google. They look fantastic, and obviously you can add it to your resume. But really, what it's all about is that it's a sales certification for digital marketing. And it's not just a sales certification, it's really geared around training you and getting you certified to sell digital marketing solutions to clients. And that's the real value of it. Once you've taken this course that I've laid out for you and taken the certification exam, you will have the skills, the processes, know the best practices, and I'm even going to give you a script to sell digital marketing solutions to clients. And that's extremely valuable and separates you from most people who might just know a little bit about digital marketing, but knowing how to sell it to clients is really, really valuable in terms of getting you hired. And I guess that leads and almost answers our next question. What is the value of this certification? Well, you can really get hired as a digital marketing consultant because you not only will know about digital marketing if you go for a job and you have some experience in that, but you'll know how to sell it to clients, and that makes you 10 times more valuable to a company that can hire you because you can generate revenue for them. You could sell these solutions to clients, and that's what this certification is all about. Having that set of skills, the sales skills plus the digital marketing skills, just separates you from most people, 99% of people, and makes you much more valuable. And not only is this certification extremely valuable in terms of getting hired, but if you're a freelancer and you want to sell solutions and get clients, well, knowing how to sell is a completely different skill set than just doing the digital marketing. And it's the two combined that really can get you great results. Now, just out of interest, you might be wondering, well, how much does a digital marketer make if I wanted to get hired? Well, looking at this information from a website called Paysa, you can see that digital marketers earn on average $90,000. This is in the US, but it'll give you a guideline of how valuable even a digital marketing position is. And then in a digital marketing sales position, often as a salesperson, you can earn a lot of commissions. So you can even go and be up towards the top end of this curve or way beyond it. So finally, what is the value of this course? What is really the purpose of taking this? Well, this course will really give you a massive shortcut to become certified. And I'm really going to give you all the training that you need, a practice test, and even a sales script that you can use in your new position or as a freelancer to sell digital marketing solutions to clients. So there's a ton of value packed into this course. Now, in terms of the timetable to become certified in one day, this is how it's laid out and really gives you some structure for this course. So this overview video, 10 minutes, you're doing this right now, so we've already ticked off the first thing. The sales training is coming up next. That's about an hour long, and I'm also going to give you that script in there that you can use to sell. This is the script that I use personally, so I think you're going to find it extremely valuable. Next up, you're going to watch the AdWords fundamentals training. That's about an hour as well. Now, the key thing to know about this exam is that it's not just about sales. To give it some context and to make sure that you really understand how to sell a digital marketing solution, in the exam there are some questions about AdWords, so I'm going to get you up to speed even if you have no knowledge whatsoever about AdWords. Now, if you do know a lot about AdWords or you're already Google AdWords certified, you can feel free to skip this training and save yourself an hour. Next up is really to take the practice tests. I've got a great practice test built into this course that has the timer, the correct number of questions and everything. And there's an hour and a half for that. You could probably get done a lot quicker after you watch the trainings. And all of those questions are modeled on the real exam as well. So it's going to give you a huge advantage over other people just going in and doing it themselves. Next, I'm going to show you how to create an Academy for Ads account. That's just 5 minutes. This is where you'll actually be taking the exam, and then you'll actually go ahead and take the exam, and there's an hour and a half like the practice exam scheduled for that, but you could also get it done a lot quicker. Next, I'm going to show you how to add the certificate to your resume and LinkedIn profile so that you can then start applying for jobs and point to that certification to really help you stand out. So the total time to become certified is 5 hours and 20 minutes if you follow the structure and the model that I've laid out here. If you were to prepare alone, to study alone, etc., this would take you up to 12 hours and you wouldn't get that sales script and you wouldn't get that practice test. So this is the real value of the course. It's going to save you at least 6 hours of time. And so if the price that you paid for this course is worth saving yourself 6 hours and getting a practice test and getting a sales script that you can use in your job, well then you already know this has been a great buy. So in summary, the Google Digital Sales Certification is a new sales certification for digital marketing. Not that many people know about it, so adding it to your CV quickly now will really get you ahead of so many people. And the value of the certification is that by adding it to your resume, you can get hired into high-paying jobs, maybe even with commissions, or use it just to win those freelancing clients, understand the processes to sell digital marketing solutions. And then finally, the value of this course is that you're going to get that massive shortcut, get certified in 1 day, get all the study materials, practice tests, and sales script you need to really have success. So welcome once again to the course. I'm delighted to have you here, and let's dive straight in now to the sales training.